Today, I'm going to shoot a short video to show you how we market self-service and wash and fold on Google and the importance of using both paid advertising and organic ranking. My name is Brett Lyon. I'm the CEO of LaundroBOOST Marketing. We are a niche-specific marketing company in the laundromat space. We work with over 200 plus laundromat owners across the states and now around the world. Over the course of the last 3 to 4 years, we have been running ads for pickup and delivery, self-service, wash and fold, and commercial, and even dry cleaning. Over that time, we've found strategies and things that work different for each of those services. So self-service and wash and fold, those are location-based services. So that means that we want to be dominating within a 5-mile radius of your location, right? So a little bit different than pickup and delivery, but today we're just going to be talking about wash and fold and self-service. So I will share my screen now and kind of give you a demo, what people typically do when looking for a laundromat for these services. So oftentimes what will happen is a customer will go to Google. At this point, they will search laundromat near me. This is just one of the many keywords that customers search looking for a laundromat within their area. What happens more times than not is this Google business section will show up, right? So it used to be back in the day where this section below where your website had local SEO ranking, and that was kind of like the most important thing. Nowadays, for location-based services like your self-service and your wash and fold, this Google business section is extremely important. So everyone should have a Google business profile. Everyone should have it optimized. Everyone should have quality reviews. That's step number one. Moving past that, just a little bit more information for you. This top 3 is called the 3-pack. You see how it's the only 3 showing on the first page, right? The 3-pack acquires 80% of the business. So if you are not in the local 3-pack or keywords like laundromat near me, self-service laundry, wash and fold laundry, laundry service, things along those lines for your location-based services, you are missing out on over 80% of the business, which is obviously a huge concern. So, but if you are in this top 3, that can change your business kind of overnight. So we do 2 things. One is you can run ads directly to the top for keywords like laundromat near me, which will put you right at the top of this section. And I'll show you an example of how that looks here. So you can see here, Queen City Laundry, which is obviously our client, but also our founders. We're running an ad for them. This is when I was attending one of their events in Cincinnati. I was in the hotel. I was about 5 miles away from their location. I decided to search laundromat near me. Sponsored ad that we were running comes right up at the top. You can see Queen City Laundry, right? That is paid advertising. So by paying Google, having a quality marketing strategy, team like ours, helping you manage these ads, we can put you right to the top more or less right away. Now, you still need to have good reviews. You still need to have a clean location. You still need to have an online presence, because just by going to the top is not going to be enough. People are going to see that you have poor reviews if that's the case, and they're still going to scroll down to the bottom page, right? So don't get me wrong. There's still a number of things that you guys need to do on your end to make sure that these are successful. But regarding the marketing side of things, leave that up to us. We have strategies in place to make sure we're getting you near the top. So that's one, right? That's your sponsored ad. That's Google advertising. You're paying for this placement. The second thing is organic ranking. We can actually rank your Google business profile organically to come near the top, so you don't always have to pay for these placements. So what you can see here for this example is this is one of Queen City Laundry's locations here. This is about 4 miles away from the hotel I was staying at. They had their second location, which is about 4.4 miles, ranking organically through a service that we call the Google Business Booster service. Past that, here is the first location that was running an ad. Now this location is also ranking organically. So if you're within a 5-mile radius of these locations, you're going to get an ad, which is going to take you right to the top. And you're also going to see these other 2 locations ranking organically. So Queen City Laundry is dominating this local area. There is no room for any other business to even creep in. Therefore, the majority of the business, when people are searching for laundromat near me, which is one of the main keywords, they are going to obtain that business. So that's just showing how powerful having a 1-2 punch strategy truly is with the advertising that you're paying for from Google, as well as the organic ranking. So if you kind of look at the situation we're in here, I'm in Canada currently, so there's less competition. But what you can see here is there's no ads being run, but these businesses are ranking organically. Now, you may be asking yourself, hey, I searched laundromat near me. I'm sitting in my laundromat right now, and I'm number 1. That means that I'm number 1 all over the city. That's not correct. There's a big misconception with that. So basically, the way it runs is all geo-based. So I'll show you an example of a client here. We'll go down to the wash and fold. This client was in California. You can see that they are located right in the middle here of this map. So this is a 5-mile radius around this physical location, laundromat. If someone's searching wash and fold, if you are standing directly in that laundromat, you're coming up number 2. If you're a few blocks over to the right, you're number 3. Another block past that, 4. Now you're not even on that homepage again. A little bit further, 6, 8, 9, and so on. And same goes the other way and up. This one's even getting to 11 pretty quick. So just because you're showing up number 1 while you're sitting in your laundromat doesn't mean that you're showing up number 1 across the street. Doesn't mean you're showing up number 1 block from your location, and so on. So you need to make sure you're fully optimized for your entire area that you're servicing, which is often, depending on where you're located, 5-mile radius or less for location-based services. Now, by running a Google Business Booster service, you allow yourself to dominate this local area. So we can pick up to 10 keywords. It doesn't just have to be wash and fold. It doesn't just have to be self-service. We can pick any 10 keywords. This one's even running, this client in Texas, even running laundry delivery service. We have another one, commercial laundry service, etc. But only thing that we need to know is what we're optimizing for. From that point, allow our team to kind of do the work. We can then, this one only took a month, to increase the visibility 588%. And the average went from 13 all the way to 12.8. So having a quality service for local optimization is extremely important. And keep in mind, you're not paying ad spend on any of this. If you stop running ads tomorrow on your Google ads, or you stop paying Google tomorrow, you disappear directly off of here. You are gone. So they're very important because it puts you right at the top right away, and we highly recommend it. But having that additional service to make sure that you're maintaining that placement is also very important. Another thing too is it doesn't matter how much ad spend you have, you're not going to win every single bid. There'll be other laundromats in your area which will also be bidding on the similar keywords. They're going to get their fair share. They're going to get to rank, depending on the strategies that they have. And then if they're up against us, they'll likely not show up as much, but they're still going to get a piece of that pie. So by ranking organically within your area, that is going to allow you to make sure that you are still up there. You're still getting that brand recognition. You're still becoming one of the options to be chosen by that specific customer looking for your laundry services. I hope that kind of cleared things up a little bit. Self-service, wash and fold, those 2 services are local-based services. These are by far the 2 best options for you when it comes to any marketing online. There's things like Facebook, which is now Meta, and other services that are out there. But if you're looking to get the best bang for your buck when it comes to marketing your local-based services, you're going to want to focus on Google Ads, and you're going to want to focus on Google Business Optimization. Everything else can come later. Thank you very much for your time. We are more than happy to work with every one of you. So we want to make sure that, we're doing everything that we can to provide the services that we have to the laundry space. If you are interested at all in working with LaundroBOOST or even just learning a little bit about marketing, feel free to book in with us on our website, laundroboostmarketing.com. We'll have a chat with you. We can even give you a custom quote on some of our services and give you a better idea of, what you're looking at in terms of competition, which is great. I mean, you saw those heat maps here. We can actually pull these for your location for you as well to give you an idea of where you're currently ranking right now, all free of charge, even let you know some of the competition that you're up against. So feel free to book in. It's always worth the conversation, and I appreciate your time. Thank you so much.